In this video, I want to give you some intuition as to why this infinite geometric series diverges. Now remember that we can think of an infinite series as the sum of a bunch of rectangles that have width 1 and height an. An being the rule, in this case 2 to the n. So to draw these rectangles, let's first make a table of the an values. So n, and then an equals 2 to the n. All right, could be a better line there, I think. Let's see, there, okay. So let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the 1 is 2. 2 squared, 4. 2 cubed is 8. We've got 16 and 32. And remember, this keeps on going forever here. Okay. Now let's see, I'll start at 16 up here. 16. Half of 16 is 8. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. And again, half of 2 is 1. All right, so then we have 0. And now my scale, the scale of my x-axis versus my y-axis is going to be a little different. But if I made the scale exactly the same as the y-axis, then my rectangles, they wouldn't be big enough visually. Okay, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so the first, let's see, like if we were to write out this sum, right, you'd write it out from n equals 0 to infinity, 2 to the n. So this would be 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus continuing on. All right, so this first number here, is represented by this rectangle right here. Right? The height is an 1. All right, so now this next one here, right, we go up to a height of 2. Let's see, this next one here, we're going up to 4. This next one up to 8. Okay. Now, using red again, the next one would be up to 16. And now you see that as we get, even just to go to 5, we go twice as big as 16. It's off the page, right? It's off the page. So we'd be way up here, way up here, coming down. It's off the page. It's huge, right? And that's only going out to A5, A sub 5. So you see what's going on here? This infinite sum, just adding up the first, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, just the first 6 terms of this infinite sum is already getting gigantic, right? If you add up these rectangles, the total area of adding up all of these rectangles is huge. Well, if we just keep doing this forever and ever and ever, right, this thing is going to get gigantic. It's not going to narrow in on a number. It's just going to go humongous to infinity. This is divergence.